Now for another holiday drink, we have the Cranberry Celebration. Now what you will need for this one is 3 ounces of cranberry juice, 2 ounces of orange juice, 1/8 ounce of lime cordial, and a glass full of cranberries. You're also going to need a Collins glass filled to the top with ice, and some soda water, and a shaker like this one. So I'm going to get my shaker, fill the shaker with ice. I have already done so. Pour in the 3 ounces of cranberry juice, the 2 ounces of orange juice, and I'm going to pour the 1/8 of an ounce of lime cordial. Shake sharply. Get your glass filled with ice. Pour. Like so. Great. Top it off with some soda water. And last but not least, fresh cranberries. And there you go. Cranberry Celebration.